Figma is to introduce an AI credit subscription system with monthly usage starting next month.
Cmd AI.
How many AI tools are you guys using in Figma right now that are free? Because here's the thing, management has said that 75% of large customers already use AI credits weekly. So moving to an explicit AI subscription and usage limits gives the company a clearer way to tie that usage to revenue. I wonder, like, how much are you guys, I'm not a Figma user, right? So how much are you guys already using AI stuff in Figma? Is it a lot? Is it little? I would like to know what is their AI thing. Well, I know we use the AI thing because I think we use the background remover. I think that's AI driven. Figma Make, I think that's free at the moment. So that could again be a credit system in Figma Make. Interactions looks like it's an AI thing. Yep, rename automatic layers, refine images, add relevant content. Are you using any of this? Instant background removals, I said we use that. Rewrite, translate, generate, sort, summarize. All of this I reckon will be paid for. So yeah, better get your wallets out, boys. Yeah, that's all I have to say about it. I don't know what the prices are. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd AI.